Hello, Kwa. Good evening. Ah, Hello, good evening, Mrs.
Hello, Rice Khoa.
Okay, okay.
Hiya. Khoa. Teacher.
Hello,
Teacher.
Kwa. Hello. Good evening and welcome again to our class for today. Wow, it's nice to see you again. How are you today?
I'm good.
You're good. That's good to know. And are you ready to continue our lesson for today?
Yes.
Okay. So last Wednesday, Tuesday, I mean, last Tuesday we learned about your study in childhood, and we aren't able to finish all of the words that we need to learn. That's why we will continue the lesson. But first, before we continue the lesson, so we will review first the words that we had learned. So by looking at the picture, this one. So do you still remember the word that we had used or we had learned in this first picture? Or what subject is this?
Is the subject teach we have to
What is the name of the subject? Based on
is
the
math
very good. It's math. How about for the second picture? What subject is this?
literature.
Okay, very good. So again, let's say literature, not literature, literature.
Literature
Okay, good job. Literature. And next, let's move on. How about this one?
geograph geography
Okay, so good job. Again, let's say geography.
geography
Okay, good job. So when we say geography, Kwa, what is geography?
is the place
Mm-hmm.
in the earth.
Yes, that's right. And what when we say geo, what do we mean by geo?
I don't know.
Hmm? Really? Okay, so we talked about this last time. So when we say geo, it means Earth. Geo means Earth. Okay, so I think that is the scientific name or something like that. So geo means Earth. So geography in general, it is the study of Earth. Okay, and next, how about in this one? What subject do we study in this picture?
Is history
Okay, very good. History. Okay, and next, how about in this one? Mhm.
chemistry
Okay, very good. Chemistry. How about the next one?
physics
Okay, physics. And how about in this one? This is where we study plants and animals.
biology
Okay, very good. Biology. And what do we mean by what is the word that we use to talk about when we are talking about
grade
school years? Yes, very good. Grade. Or if we are talking about scores, so we are talking about grade. Okay, so next. So since we end last time in here, so let's proceed to the next set of our words. So we have here, can you please read this one?
Primary school
Okay, very good. So let's start first with primary school. Do you have any idea what primary school is?
is the school
School.
have grade 1, grade 2, grade 3,
Oh, yeah.
grade 4, and grade 5.
Okay, have up grade 1 to 6. So it is school for young children, like grade 1 to 6. Very good. So good job. So this is grade 1 to 6. How about secondary school?
Is the school for
Mhm.
children like grade 6 to 9.
Okay, very good. Grade or grade 7. Grade 7 to 9 or 10. Don't you have a grade 10?
No,
Really? We don't have a grade 10 because in here, so we have grade 10 up to grade 12. Yeah, before we go to college. So yeah. Okay, so this is also right. So secondary school, it means that school for children or middle. This is what we call middle school. Okay, wait. I'll just put in here. Middle school. Okay, so this is the primary and secondary school. How about for this one? Let's first go with this one.
high school
Okay, so when we say high school, what do we mean by high school?
is the school for grade 10 to
Mm,
12.
school for grade 10 to 12. Who are those children? Are they young? Are they in the middle? Or are they older?
The older.
Okay, very good. So these are school for older children. So very good. So again, when we say primary, school for young children, secondary, it is the middle school, and high school is school for older children. Okay, next, let's proceed with our next word. What is this one?
Homework
Homework. Okay. So Kwa, when we say homework, what is homework?
is the exercise the teacher give we do to do in home.
Very good. So when we say homework, it is the activities or schoolwork that teacher gives us so that we can do it at home. That is why from the word itself, home work. So this is an extra activities that we need to do so that we can practice ourselves with what teacher had discussed within that day. Okay, so very good. Do you have a do you have an homework right now?
No,
I know. Oh, you are still in vacation?
yes.
Okay, that's why. Okay, so enjoy your vacation because when you go back to school, you will get homeworks again. So yeah, that is homework. So when we do homework, so it is always at home. For you, Kwa, do you like doing homeworks?
Mm,
The-
yes.
I really. Why if teacher Iris makes you do homework, you don't want it? You don't do our
If
homework.
I don't do the homework, my teacher will be angry.
Oh, your teacher will be angry. But why? In our class, you are not you don't want to do the homework. In our class, we usually have homework, but we choose not to do it because you don't want. Why? You are selective, huh? Okay, but that's okay. So it's not required to do the homework here, since I can see that mostly the words that we learn, so you are able to recall those words. So yeah, it's okay. Okay. So next, again, that is homework. Let's proceed to our next word. Let's have this one.
Semester
Okay, very good. So when we say semester, what do we mean by semester?
is the similar school years.
Yes, it's similar to school years. But when we say semester, we mean semester by half of a school year. So when we say semester, half of a school year, especially when you go to college, there are semesters or semestrals. So we have their first semester, second semester, and it is divided into that sem, or the subjects are divided in each semester. Okay, so most people they call semester as sem, only sem. So sem is short for semester. So if someone said sem, so they mean semester, first sem, second sem. Okay, so that is semester. First, do you have a semester right now at your school?
Yes,
How many? How many semesters or sems do you have?
for semester.
Oh, really? For semester? Oh, because yeah, in grade school, semesters are a lot. But in college, I think there are just two semesters or two sems. I don't know. It depends on the place. Okay, so that is semester. So the subjects are divided into numbers so that the students will not be overwhelmed. Okay, and next, this one.
Play true,
Okay, again, let's say true one.
true one.
Okay, are you familiar with this word? Kwa, play true one. What do we mean by true one?
Is we go to a place and we not study, but we have lessons
Huh? We go to a place again. We go to a place
over the school,
over the school.
outside the school,
Outside the school. Outside the school and
and we don't study the lessons.
very good. Or we don't study the lessons. Yes, that's nice. This is the idea of play through one because generally play through one means to skip school without permission. So as what you have said, so most children or most students they go to a place outside the school and they don't study. So they just skip school. So do you think playing truant is good?
No,
No. And why? Why playing truant is not good?
because if we play truant, we don't have the lesson and we can
And we can.
worse.
Okay, generally, so if we play truant, we will not learn because since we are skipping school. So that's why we will not learn. So that's why it's not good to play through one or to skip school because we will not be able to learn. Okay. Have you ever seen someone play through one in your classmates? Kwa.
No,
Really? Yes or no?
No,
I know. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good to know. Because playing truant, you will never learn. Okay, very good. And for those people who play truant, or those people who play truant kwa, why do you think they do it or they do it? Why do they play truant? Well,
because I don't want to study.
yes, because they don't want to study. So I remember last time you said that you don't want to study. Well, so for that one, even if you don't want to study, so don't play through one because you will not learn and you will be the one who will be affected if you play through one because you don't learn and you skip school and there is consequences or there are punishments when you do this. That is why never do this even if you don't want to study. Okay, so next, let's proceed to our next word.
Take an exam.
Okay, very good. Take an exam. What do we mean by take an exam?
Is we do the exam
Mhm. What do we mean by exam?
is the things we must do when at the final of semester.
And what do we do when we are doing an exam? What is the
We do the
exact word?
exam.
What is the other explanation for exam? Okay. So when we say exam, so we answer questions to test the knowledge that we have. So basically, take an exam or exam. So we are doing that, we are answering some questions. Like for sometimes, so we are doing a free talk. Free talk is somehow an exam in our subject here. So it is to test your knowledge regarding the words that we had learned and also the lessons. Okay, so again, exam, we answer questions to test the knowledge that we have. And you are right. So taking an exam, it's when it is the final semester. Okay, so we mostly do it in finals. Okay. Next, let's proceed to our next word. Oh, this one's easy.
Pass for an exam.
Hmm? Pass or? What's this one?
Pass, pass, fail an exam.
Okay, very good. Pass or fail an exam. What do we mean by pass or fail?
Pass is we pass the exam.
Mm-hmm. What do we mean by
Fail,
pass?
fail is we do the exam good.
Yes. And for the fail,
We do the exam not good.
okay. Okay, very good. So that's the idea of pass and fail. So when we say pass, we succeed or we succeeded in an exam. But for fail, so that's when we do not succeed with the exam. Okay, very good. So have you ever passed an exam, Kwa?
Many
Many times. What's your highest score? Out of what? Out of 100 or out of what's your highest test exam number? Is it over 100?
no 10.
Out 10? Oh, what your highest score is 10?
Yes,
Oh, really?
yes,
Oh,
because
uh-huh.
max or point in my country is 10.
Really? Oh, really? That's so short. Because in here, our exams are um about 100 points or 100 scores. So you need to have 75 points for you to be able to pass the
but
exam.
but is similar.
Mm? It's similar
Yeah.
to.
Example here.
Mhm. What's that? 216? 10? Ah,
Change.
but you are just answering like 10 items.
What?
You are just answering 10 items or 10 questions.
Yes.
Oh, really? Oh, that's so easy, huh? So you only have a 10 points. Okay. How about have you ever failed your exam?
No.
Okay, that's so good. So study hard. So you will not fail because failing is just a normal experience, but it's really it's not good because it will affect your grades as well as you said that you want to be an international student. So it will affect your record. Yeah, that's why try not to fail. Okay. Okay, let's have a review. Oh, let me just have the questions here. Okay, this one. I read the question before answering.
What does plagiarism mean? Is to skip school.
Okay, very good. Is to skip school. What is this one?
Is half of a school year.
Okay, very good. Half of a school year. And next, this one. So read the question first.
What does take an exam mean? Is to answer test questions.
Okay, very good. To answer some questions. How about this one? Read the question
What
first.
is primary school?
Mhm.
Is school for young children.
Okay, very good. School for young children. And next,
What is homework? Is work done at home for school.
okay, very good. Work done at home for school. And next,
What is physics? Is a subject about energy and motions.
okay, how about this one?
What is chemistry? Is a subject about substances and reactions.
Okay, again, let's say reactions.
Reactions.
Okay, very good. So it's about substances and reaction. How about this one?
What is history? Is a subject about the past.
Okay, subject about the past. So history. How about this one?
What is geography? Is a subject about maps and earth.
Okay, very good. What do we mean by geo? Geo.
Is the earth.
Okay, it's Earth. How about this?
Literature is a subject about stories and poems.
Okay, very good. So okay, so I think that's it for our review. So let's proceed in our reading and discussion. So let's first read the title, and after that let's read the story. Okay.
Peter talks about his study during childhood.
Mhm.
During my childhood, I studied very well and I was always one of top students in my class and even was top at my school. I was easily chosen to pa- participate in competitions for gift students in such subjects as math and physics. At that time, I and all other children had the thinking that if we studied hard and got good marks, our parents, teachers, and people around us would be very proud of us and praise us a lot. So we always tried to study as hard as possible. I had a passion for math when I was a kid. Solving the mathematics problems was very interesting for me. I could spend nearly all day studying math without feeling tired or bored. I dislike some subjects which required me to memorize a lot such as history and geography. About history, my teachers always want us to learn by heart all the events and historical times. It was difficult to me. My favorite teacher was my math teacher at secondary school. He made the lessons not only exciting but also easy to understand. Moreover, he was so humorous. When I was a child, I wanted to become a teacher. As I grew up, it changed, and now I am not a teacher.
Mhm. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. So now let's again read these words. Let me just this one first.
Chooses.
Okay, so again, let's say chosen, not chosen, because chosen, so we don't have a word chosen. So we just have choose. This one, so it only have a one O, so we read it as chosen, chosen.
Chooses.
Okay, very good. And next, how about this one?
Participate.
Okay, very good. Because earlier you read it as participate. So participate. Okay. And next.
If the
Okay, very good. So especially when you are reading words with ed at the end. So don't forget to read the ed sound or ed sound. Like for example, earlier you read it as for gift students. So you forgot to said the ed or ed sound. So gifted. Okay. And next, this one.
marks.
Okay, marks, not marks, marks. Okay, this one.
Rise.
Okay, again, let's say praise.
Braids.
Okay, very good. This one,
Hard disk.
let's say hardest, not hardies, because this one is not letter I, it's letter E. That will be hardest.
Hardest.
Okay, very good. And next, let's have another word. This one.
Requirement.
Okay, let's say required.
Required.
Okay, again, how do you read that?
Required.
Okay, very good. How about this one?
Memorize.
Okay, memorize. Very good because you read it earlier as memories. So memorize. Okay. How about this?
Humorous.
Okay, let's say humorous.
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 Okay, very good. And this one,
Wants.
wanted.
Wanted.
Okay, very good. Again, when we have words with ed at the end, don't forget to read the ed sound. Wanted, gifted. Okay, so that it the I mean the meaning of the word will not change because for this one, words with ed sound, they are words that are in past tense. Okay. Okay, so now let's answer some questions that we have here. So let's first go with the first question.
Did Peter Elwood student as a child? Yes, he did.
How? Why? Why did you say, or why do you say that he did, or he is a good student when he was a child?
Because during his childhood, he studied very well and he was always one of top students in his class
Mm-hmm.
and even was taught at the school.
Okay, very good. And also, he was usually chosen, not chosen, chosen to participate in competitions. So he is considered as gifted students. Okay, very good. Number two,
Why did Peter study hard?
why?
Because at that time, he
Mhm.
and all other children had the thinking that if they studied hard and got good marks, our parents, teachers, and people around us would be very proud of us and praise us a lot.
Okay, good job.
Uh,
But for this, okay.
them, them.
Okay, very good. So when we are answering, especially in a third person point of view, so we will not read it as our, us, or us. So we will use their parents, around them, of them, and praise them. Okay. So don't copy the word itself. You need to paraphrase it so that it will be become as an answer. So very good. Next.
What was Peter's favorite subject? His favorite subject is math
Mm-hmm. Why? Why?
because he had a passion for math when he was a kid.
Mm-hmm.
Solving mathematics problems was very interesting for very interesting for him.
Okay, very good. So mathematics, because he loves solving math problems. Next question.
Did Peter hate any subject? Why? Yes, he is because he dislikes some subject required he to memorize a lot such as history and geography.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So for this question, did Peter hate any subjects? Do we answer yes, he is, or yes,
Yes, he did.
okay, very good. So yes, he did. So make sure to check the first word first so that you will be able to answer it. But yeah, so he disliked history and geography because it requires too much memorization and he doesn't like to memorize. Next, the last question.
Would it be the one to become as a child? Be the one to become a teacher?
What happened? What happened at the end? Since he said that he want to be a teacher, but what happened? Did he become a teacher?
No,
Eh,
no,
No. Very good. And why? Why did he not become a teacher?
because he changed.
Very good. So he changed. So he changed, especially for this one. When we grow up, so most of the things that we like changes. Like Peter, so he likes to be a teacher before, but it changes when he grew up. Okay. And for this one, let's connect this question to you. Okay. Do you study hard?
Uh,
Kwa? Do you study hard? Yes or no?
middle,
A
middle.
middle. Why? Why middle?
I don't know.
Oh, I don't know. No answer. I don't want to hear I don't know answer. I want you to express yourself.
No way.
No. How can you learn to
Uh,
how can you learn to practice your speaking skills more if you don't express yourself more and you keep answering I don't know? That's what we are learning here. It's okay. Any reasons? Oh, oh, in general. So I'll just change the question. In general, why do we study hard, or why do we need to study hard in general? Hmm? In general, for you, in general, why do we need to study hard? Hmm. Why do we need to
hmm.
study hard? Is it to get good grades, to get rewards from our parents? What are the usual reasons why we study hard? This question is just easy. You need to just
Because
express.
we
Because
can, because we very need it on the future.
we need it for the future. Very good. Because we need it for the future. If we get good grades, so it will be our stepping stone to reach our dreams. Okay, very good. Next, um, who feels proud when you get good marks? When we say good marks, good grades,
It's my parent.
it's my parents. And how do you celebrate? How do you celebrate your good grades with your parents? How do you celebrate? Do you go to the mall to buy
Yes,
things? What do you do
I go to the mall
with
with my parents and my uh, younger sister.
Oh, and what do you do at the mall?
Mm, I go for work
Only walk to
and
celebrate.
and go to the
Go to the
ball house to play
ball house to play. Oh, like this or bowl?
ball,
Like this?
football.
Ah, football house to play. Okay. Next, how since Peter's favorite subject is math. How about you? What's your favorite subject and why? Why do you like that
I
subject?
think it's English
And why?
because English very interesting,
Mm-hmm.
but has many word.
Mm. Has many words.
Yes, many words.
Yeah, that's so true. Especially when you read some classical English books, there are a lot of words that are very much unfamiliar. When we say unfamiliar, so we don't know words that we don't know generally. So, yeah, it's easy to study, but it's also hard to understand some words. Okay.
Yes,
How about this subject that you don't like? What are the subject or what is the subject that you don't like?
I don't like mm, dictionary
Ali- what?
literature.
Literature or literary. Okay, again. Let's say literary, not literary. 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 Why? Why don't you like literature? Literature is under English. Literature is a subject within the English.
No,
Oh, it is. We have English literature. You don't know?
yeah, I know
Oh, so you said that you like English, but why don't you like literature? Literature comes from English.
because it's very long.
It's very long,
Yes,
but but literature is part of English subject. So you don't like all English also?
I don't like
Just
write.
you just don't write like to write. Okay, that's so understandable. Next, and how about what do you want to be when you grow up? Since Peter said that he wants to be a teacher,
I want to be a TA.
TA, teaching
Yes,
assistant.
yes,
What do you mean by teaching assistant?
because I can to teach children.
Oh, really? I thought you don't want to teach.
Help help children to know the lessons.
Oh, I thought you don't want to be a teacher. Teaching assistant has a job to have a job to teach children in classrooms. So you also want to be a teacher.
No,
Teaching assistant is a teacher also, huh? So look at this one. What does teaching assistant do? So teacher supports lead educators in managing classrooms, preparing materials, and providing individualized help to students who needs extra support. Oh, that is the job. So you need to teach students. You need to help students. So from the word itself, teaching assistant. So you will be teaching students. You really want to be a teaching assistant?
I think
Uh,
it's international student.
uh, um, yes, it is understandable that you want to be an international student. But being an international student, there is a dream that you want to achieve. So, like, do you want to be an engineer? Do you want to be IT? You still haven't planned? Okay, let's search international students in China programs. So we have here medicine, engineering, business, computer science, or Chinese language. So you will not just study as an international student, but you will
Is
choose what career you want.
is um, Chinese language.
You want to teach Chinese language? Really?
Yes,
Oh, it's also a good. So you will be a teacher because Chinese language, when you practice or when you study this as an international student,
I
s-
can choose computer science.
you want computer science, this one?
Both Chinese language or computer science.
Oh, yeah, it's a good. Computer science is a good career because I have a student before that is a computer science and she is working in a big company. She is she lives in Dubai. Ay,
Yes,
is it Dubai or Saudi Arabia? She lives in Saudi Arabia. So she works. Yeah, this is a good what do you call that? This is a good career. Okay. And why do you want those jobs? Why do you want to be a computer science or why do you want to be a Chinese? Why do you want to learn Chinese language?
because it's very interesting.
Because it's very interesting. You want to learn something about Chinese. Oh, I have another student. She speaks Chinese well. Yeah, she is just how old is she? She is 3 years old. She's just 3 years old and she knows how to speak Chinese and Vietnam.
Yes,
Yeah. So I know you can do it. Okay. So that's it. I think that is our 4 hour lesson about my study in childhood. So this one, so we will practice this in our, what do you call that? In our free talk. And for this one, you shall read the or review the vocabularies, phrases, and reading part for you to be able to recall all of the things that we had learned. And since we still have 8 minutes, so we will start our new lesson. So let me just open this one. Okay, wait. Huh? Where is that? Okay. So for our unit 15, so we had finished unit 14. What is for our unit 15?
internet.
Internet. Do you know what is internet?
Yes,
What is internet? What is your understanding with the
it's
word
the Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi? Only Wi-Fi. Okay. So when we say internet, so it doesn't only talks about a Wi-Fi or connections because internet means it is a big network that connects computers and phones around the world. So, internet, we can use the internet to browse website, to browse things online. So that's the internet. So it doesn't only revolve around Wi-Fi. Okay. So now let's learn more about our internet. Let's go first with our vocabulary part. Okay. So again, what do we mean by the internet?
Is the uh, network connects the
Yes.
computer and the phone around the world.
Okay, very good. So it's the network that connects computers and phones around the world. So when we say this one, can you read our two phrase here about the internet? So use, what can you read this?
Is use the internet and surf the internet.
Okay, do you know the difference between using the internet and surfing the internet?
Yes,
What do we mean by using the internet?
using the internet is we use internet to work or do something,
Mhm. Okay, very
and
good.
surf the internet is watch the video on the internet.
Okay, very good. On the internet. Okay, very good. So when we say using or use the internet, it is to work or do something because we are engaging in online activities like research, online banking, and working. As what you have said, we work. Most people work from home. They use the internet. And surfing the internet, we usually watch videos on the internet. We also surf the websites for us to know more about the world, about the things that we are interested to. Yeah, so that is internet. Okay. So can you this one before we go to our next page. So can you create a sentence using use the internet and surf the internet? Can you create a sentence? Can you make?
Use the internet to study, and I surf the internet to watch some video on the internet.
Okay, very good. Or we can just say online. Okay, very good. Next, let's proceed to our next page. This one.
Search for information.
Okay. What do we mean by search for information?
Is the is we search to find the information we need to know.
Okay, very good. So when we say search for information, so we use the internet to search or to find information that we needed to know. Like, for example, you want to know more about animals. So you search specific animals. So, what is a dog? What is a cat? So, that is searching for information. Generally, searching for information means that to look for answers or knowledge online, especially when we are studying and we are not familiar with something or we do not know something. So you search it online. Okay. So for this one, Kwa, do you use the internet every day?
Yes,
Yes. And what do you use it for? For study, for games, for watching videos? What do you mostly use it for?
Uh, Triple.
Mm. To play football or to watch football?
No, triple
Huh?
is study, watch TV, and
Watch
games.
games. Okay. How about what do you usually search for online?
Is the video
Video about?
about a similar YouTube short?
Yeah. What do you specifically use? I mean, what do you specifically search in YouTube?
Don't is random video.
Or random videos? Okay. So, and for that, why do you search it? Why do you search it? Is it for study, for school projects, or just to be entertained?
Both,
Both?
yes,
Okay.
and
What
listen to music.
listening to music? Okay. Very good. Okay. So I think it's already 9 o'clock in the evening. So we will just continue this lesson next Tuesday. So you can have your rest early and also have a nice weekend. So make sure to review all of the things that we had learned. Okay. So bye bye. So good
Goodbye,
night.
teacher.
Goodbye.